Hey folks, Mr. Phil, I'm back with you again. I'm sitting in my local McDonald's restaurant, and I'm gonna try the new Big Arch burger, made so famous by their CEO, who tasted it on video, looked terrified of the whole idea of biting it, didn't really bite it, took a little nibble off the edge of it, and I sent out a good word to the promotions and advertising people that let that nut publish that video. But anyway, I'm here to try this thing, give it a real bite, see what it really tastes like. And of course, like every restaurant I do, I'm gonna plus it up with a little Alabama hot sauce. So join me and see how this goes. Thank you. Hey folks, this is Phil from Alabama Hot Sauce. That's alabamahotsauce.com on the web. I am at my local McDonald's today, and just recently the video has been released of the CEO eating the McDonald's Big Arch, and I thought I'd come in here and try one so people have a good idea of actually how this burger tastes. Big Arch is brand new from McDonald's. It is a 1,000 calorie hamburger, which is monstrous. And anyone who's watched videos from social media knows that the McDonald's CEO took a little taste of it, and it looked like he was sort of disdainful of this food. He took the smallest possible nibble you can take. I'm gonna do something different. I'm gonna eat this burger like it's supposed to be. Before I start, I'm gonna talk a little bit about McDonald's and high-calorie hamburgers in the South where I live. If you come up here at McDonald's anytime between 11 o'clock and 3 o'clock in the afternoon, you will see in the drive-through line double lines of pickup trucks with multiple guys in it, working folks. These are people that work hard for a living and expend a lot of energy. These are folks that consume 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 calories a day in some cases, but never gain weight because they're working it off. So to those folks, a large 1,000 calorie hamburger is really not that big a deal. So I want you to think about that as you send me messages about why do I eat this bad food, because I get comments like that every time I do a drive-through restaurant. I want you to also think about the fact that those people don't give a hoot what the president of McDonald's says. They understand that he's probably a guy who is in generally disdainful of their food anyway. It's probably not what he eats, and so that's probably the reason why he did that embarrassing video. Now, what I don't understand is why they have not fired the people that let him post that video. I mean, I'm sure they have promotions and advertising people, and anybody involved in that video should have seen exactly how cringe it was. Anyway, I have a Big Arch. Now, for those of you that have seen any of my videos when I visit fast food restaurants, you know that I like hot sauce, and I like to show how hot sauce improves everything I eat. So first I'm going to open up and take a look at this Big Arch. This is 2 quarter-pound patties, 3 slices of white cheddar cheese. It's got a special sauce on it. It's got some fried onions. It's also got some, I believe they are grilled onions. So this is probably a pretty darn good hamburger. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take a bite, and then I'm going to jazz it up a little bit with my Alabama hot sauce product. Now, well, that's a pretty good tasting hamburger. The so-called special sauce they have for it, I don't know what that brings to the party. This hamburger tastes good. The meat tastes good. It's got a little lettuce on it. Cheese is good. But it is a touch bland. And I find that with a lot of fast food burgers. I realize that they season when they cook in a way that'll suit the largest crowd of people. So I get that they don't season much. But what I'm going to do, I got a brand new hot sauce called Three-Way Hot Fresno. And this is one just released for 2026. And this sauce is somewhat different from other sauces I make. I looked over my line over the winter and realized I didn't have nearly enough sauces that were very moderate heat. And so I set out to make one that was extremely tasty, but not so hot. And this Three-Way Fresno, Hot Fresno is it. This is made from Fresno peppers. The peppers it's made from are partly fermented. A portion of them are fresh peppers, and it also has Fresno powder. So it has all three of the different tastes you get depending on the preparation method of peppers. Now, like all of my hot sauces, I have this little limiter on the top, but I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm gonna remove it. One of the cool things about this sauce is because it's not so hot, almost anyone can use a lot of it. So, I'm going to really cover this burger up with this sauce. I mean, that's a lot of it. And now, I'm gonna go in here and see if this has improved it. Oh yes. The blandness of this burger goes completely away. I'm a real pepperhead, so this sauce is not as hot as I like them, but I didn't make this sauce for me to like. I made this sauce for the vast majority of people who buy hot sauce who like a little bit of heat, but not overwhelming heat. What this does have, it has amazing flavor, and it sure transfers that flavor right to this pretty nice McDonald's burger. This McDonald's Big Arch has a characteristic that a lot of large, thick hamburgers have, and that is that it is very, very messy. Okay. Now, of course, being a good Southern boy, I have my glass of iced tea here. So let me go ahead and try one more of these. This is actually really good with the sauce on it. The blandness has gone away. I'm getting the spice from both the black pepper and the Fresno peppers in here. Makes this a wonderful hamburger. Anyway, folks, there you go. Mr. Phil, Alabama Hot Sauce. I'm trying the Big Arch. The burger made famous by the CEO of McDonald's. And unlike him, I took a real bite like hard-working country boys would take. I'm gonna sit here now and enjoy my burger. I'm gonna drink my iced tea. I'm gonna eat my French fries. But first, I got some advice for the president of McDonald's. It's okay if you don't like your burgers. I totally get it. We could tell by the bite and by the expression on your face you were dreading that. I didn't dread it at all. I think it's a pretty decent burger. I'm sure that the hard-working country boys that go line up today and tomorrow and every day from here on out in your drive-through line are going to love it. They're not going to be bothered about 1,000 calories. They're just going to eat one or two of them. They're going to go back to work, roofing or plumbing or construction or whatever it is they do. Anyway, folks, thank you for joining me. I'd appreciate it if you'd subscribe to my channel. While you're there, give me a thumbs up, ring the bell so YouTube will know that you like my content. Again, Mr. Phil, Alabama Hot Sauce. I'll see you next time.